Man, do I get a lot of emails about how do I start affiliate marketing? Well, the best way to do it is not by watching YouTube videos, not by Googling it, is actually you get a mentor, you get the right training, you get an advisor. And we would love for you to join our group and so we can teach you the right way. Because we got guys and gals that have been doing this for years and they're already making 6, 7 figures a month or a year, I should say. And so they know the shortcuts, they know what works, they know what doesn't work. So your learning curve is going to be drop way down. And that's what you want. You don't want to, get it, and start trying to figure this out on your own because the learning curve, you'll probably get frustrated, get mad, and want to quit. Especially if you're working a 9 to 5 job and you're doing this, a few hours at night or on the weekend, and your time is limited because you got a family, also, or you could be a stay-home mom, with kids, and you're keeping your kids because daycare is ridiculous. So, so your time is limited as far as, when you can do it. Maybe you're trying to do this when you're napping, you can do it. It's no problem whatsoever. That's one thing about affiliate marketing. You can do it anywhere, anytime, any place. All you need is the internet, a phone, laptop, computer, and you're good to go. The main thing is that you get the training. You get a mentor, you get an advisor, because we got guys that's been doing this and gals, and we would love to have you come and join us because we will teach you the right way. There's no cut and paste here, and then you'll know how to promote any product. It doesn't matter where it's at. It could be on Amazon, Walmart. It could be something totally different. It could be on one of those other places like ClickBank, Impact, or any of them where you can find products to promote. But once again, just because you can get in, you go there, doesn't mean you know how to promote it. Unless you get the skills to do it. You're going to watch a lot of videos. I'm sure you have if you're looking, to figure out, about affiliate marketing on ClickBanks for beginners, ClickBanks for dummies, all these videos, how to make $100, how to make $200, $500 with ClickBank. You're going to see all that if you haven't already. They make it sound so easy. You pick a product, they give you your link, then you go figure out how to promote it. They'll give you some way of doing it, but 9 times out of 10, they're probably not doing it that way. So, just keep in mind, if you're looking to how to start affiliate marketing, remember, you can watch all the videos you want, but you still need a mentor, an advisor to walk you through things that, and help you along the way. And, that's what we're here for. We want to help. We want to see people succeed, because it's great when we see it. When you email us, hey, I got my first commission, we're like, hey, we're just as happy, as you are, just because, hey, you went from, I don't know if I can do it, to, hey, I got this. And that's part of the process, is getting your mindset right to where you're not an employee. Now you're an entrepreneur, and you're headed towards your own boss. You're going to be your own boss. You're going to one day hopefully walk in to your company or business or whatever, wherever you work, and say, I quit. I started my own business. It's taken off, and that's the goal. I'm sure you probably heard, internet's full of people. Well, internet ain't going nowhere. As long as there's companies out there with products to sell and need them pushed and need them sold, there's always going to be affiliate marketers. So keep that in mind. And you may have a hobby that now you want to turn it into a business. hey, we can help you get started. You know, we can get you pointed in the right direction and get you going with that. So keep that in mind. So if there's anything we can do for you, you know, and if you are looking on how to start affiliate marketing, but you just don't know where to start, check us out, because we're here for you. We can get you going, and we don't want you to fail. We don't want you, you know, to get that mindset where, you know, you're telling your family like, "Hey, I'm going to start my own business, online business," and that, you know, they're gonna try to bring you down, because that's just, it happens. That happened to us all. So just get ready for it. Shake it off and just keep on going, because you're not the only one that's ever had doubters out there that says you couldn't do it. But the thing is, look at us now, you know. So if you're ready to make a commitment, if you're ready to start your online business, and you want to know more about affiliate marketing, hey, just go to the description, click the link, and we get you signed up and get you started. Because remember, success loves speed, and we want to make sure you succeed. So just remember, it's a progress. You know, it's something that, you know, it's going to take a little time, but you can do it. Everybody can do this. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the share, the like, especially smash that like button, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the little bell icon, because that way you get all my notifications every week. And I'll see you next week.